The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized Ukrainian command posts near Velikaya Kostromka in Dnepropetrovsk region, Konstantinovka in Donetsk People's Republic, and Lezhino in Zaporozhye region. 41 artillery units at their firing positions, 156 manpower and military equipment concentration areas, the headquarters of Right Sector Nationalist Group, one signal station of Azov Nationalist Group, and 2 provisional bases of foreign mercenaries have been neutralized near Zaporozhye. One storage of fuel for Ukrainian military equipment has been destroyed near Nikolaev. One Ukrainian Buk M1 air defense missile system has been destroyed near Shevchenkovo in Nikolaev region. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces has shot down one Su-24 airplane of Ukrainian Air Force near Kristoforovka in Nikolaev region. One Ukrainian Mi-8 helicopter has been shot down near Velikaya Alexandrovka in Kherson region. Air defense facilities have destroyed 4 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Novaya Kamenka, Sadok in Kherson region, Yavkino in Nikolaev region, and Polnoye in Donetsk People's Republic. 12 projectiles launched by HIMARS MLRS have been intercepted near Burgunka in Kherson region and Kakhovka hydroelectric power plant. In total, 319 airplanes and 161 helicopters, 2,199 unmanned aerial vehicles, 380 air defense missile systems, 5,677 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 868 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,465 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,496 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Russia is increasingly resorting to horrific and indiscriminate attacks on civilians and critical infrastructure. President Putin is failing in Ukraine. His attempted annexations, partial mobilization, and reckless nuclear rhetoric represents the most significant escalation since the start of the war. And they show that this war is not going as planned. NATO is not party to the conflict, but our support is playing a key role. Allies remain united in their support for Ukraine's sovereignty and self-defense. Ukraine's Defense Minister Oleksiy Reznikov will join us tomorrow, both for the US-led contact group for Ukraine and for a dinner with NATO ministers. Together we will address Ukraine's urgent needs. I welcome the recent announcements by allies to provide more advanced air defense systems and other capabilities to Ukraine, and I look forward to further deliveries.